What role does technology play in your practice, as you said, to be able to compete against forums with 300, 400 people?
And it's very real. It's very real that there is that AI and technology does allow you to compete with small numbers against large numbers of conventional practices. I call them conventional, right? And projects in which I know offices are going with 20 people team, 15 people team. I go with 3 people team, and we're winning.
And tell me, how do you use AI? Like, you give me like 2 or 3 examples where you use AI in your practice.
Well, I don't use AI to replace the design side. I let my designers to express their craft. That's part of our identity, and I don't want that to ever go away. I'm very open to them in expressing their own designs. I want AI to come after, to be very fair as a tool. With all respect to AI as a tool, to streamline their processes, to get them better results, get them more images of their own vision, to have them hyper-realistic, to deliver quantity when their human capacity would not be able to have their vision out in the quantity that they deserve.
If you were in one sentence were to describe like the event tonight or the crowd,
London
what would you say?
I'm overwhelmed, to be honest. I was not expecting this amazing. First, it's outstanding how they put this together in 3 days. And then it's the first time I see in London real progress in architecture being shown at every angle, from the build side, from the AI side, from the tech side, from the immersive reality side, from the typical real estate side, from the cultural project side. And it's all in this small space, not that small. And it is impressive. It really reminds you that you're part of a society, almost like a group of people who want more from architecture.